Hello, hello. In this 15-minute workshop, I'm going to show you all the ways in which you can really drive your business with the Mr. Lulu Dropship Program. It's been designed to support all of the skin professionals who carry Mr. Lulu to drive extra revenue and to provide extra results for their clients. Let's go. So this is a quote from one of our skin professional. Her name is Kara King, and here is what she says. Last Black Friday, I made more in one weekend than I used to make in 2 weekends, 2 weeks of retail sales without even being in the studio. So Kara was enjoying her Thanksgiving weekend in with her family and loved ones, and thanks to the dropship program and our dropship promos, during the Black Friday weekend, she was able to generate all this revenue without having to work. And these are stories that we absolutely love because this is what we want for every skin professional who carries Mr. Lulu. In this workshop, you will learn how the program works very simply. And then you're going to see how it's more rewarding than other programs in the industry, how you can maximize your commission opportunities, how you can implement easy strategies to promote your code and link and content IDs so you can start to promote instantly. The beautiful thing with our dropship program is that there's no subscriptions, no catch. You're going to earn some commission. Your clients are going to save some money. We're going to explain to you how that works. And we handle all the rest at Mr. Lulu, from the shipping and so on. So you don't have to do any of this. We take care of everything from there for you. And again, no subscription, no catch. Now, here is how it works. So there's a few highlights here. So first of all, you're going to, once you are eligible for the dropship program, you're going to receive an email that is going to tell you you are now eligible. And you will have to fill out a form, and then your dropship dashboard will be activated. In this, you're going to get a code and a link, your dropship code and your dropship link. When your clients or followers are going to use the dropship code at checkout on the Mr. Lulu website, they're going to get 10% off the website prices all year round at any given time. And same if they use the link. If they use the link, the code will automatically be applied to their cards. So, and that's very important because it means that your clients are always better off if they decide to shop their Mr. Lulu products on the website. They're always better off to use your code or link. They're going to save 10%, and that's a lot of money. Then after, you're going to make 40% commission. And this is going to be amazing because 40% commission, it's almost the same when you think about it as if you had made that sell in person. So you're going to make the same amount of money as if you had sold the product in person. And this is going to be converted into shopping credits that you can use on future wholesale orders on the Mr. Lulu wholesale section. There's no subscription, no monthly fees, because you have some companies, they ask you to pay, I don't know, $20, $30 per month to participate in theirs. We don't do that. It's completely free after a certain eligibility threshold. The commissions are transferred every 2 to 3 weeks. That's the cadence when we review all the dropship orders and when we transfer the commission onto your dropship dashboard. Then to be eligible, what you need to do is you need to have spent $500 in cumulative purchases with us in wholesale purchases. So some of you will spend that all at once, will be well above the $500, and some of you will take maybe a couple of purchases to get there. But it's very achievable, and it's automatic. So automatically you'll get that email that will say, hey, now you're eligible for the dropship benefits. So fill out the form and you'll be set to go. Also, something that we have done is that you have now a little extra welcome reward. So once you hit your first dropship orders, you're going to get an extra $30 shopping credit on your dropship dashboard. And that's just a way to say congratulations or to cheer you for that achievement. We know that once you are familiar with using the dropship program with your business and with all your clients and followers, we know that you're going to do it again and again, and you're going to see the commission coming on your dropship dashboard. and it's gonna be part of what you do. But we want to make sure that we have this little incentive to get you to those first 3 dropship orders, and we know that after that, you'll be amazing at it. How do you access the dropship dashboard? So I've put the QR code here, so you can scan this QR code with your phone and just and go and have a look there. But if you're on the professional page of the website, you will see that there's a tile there. It's very easy. It's right towards the top of the page, and you can't really miss it. So you see, I've put the arrow here, so you can clearly see what it looks like, and it says dropship in big. So that's where you're going to access it. Now, when you click on that, it's going to take you to your dropship login page, so you can put your email and your code. If you forget it, just say forgot password, and you'll be able to reset it. If you have any problem with any of that, you email customer service, very easy, and we will get back to you with all the information you need and making sure that you've got all the details to access your dropship dashboard. Your dropship dashboard is going to look like this. And I'm going to show you those. We've highlighted a few numbers, so just follow along with me. So first, number 1, this is where you're going to find your dropship link and your dropship code. So this is what you're going to use to promote on your social media, on your website, and others, or you're going to give to your customers for them to use. You can change it. You can change your code, and you can change your dropship link anytime you want. This is totally up to you. Just make sure you email customer service if you ever change it, so we can update also our provider locator, because we showcase these in the provider locator and want to make sure that the information is accurate. Then number 2, this is where you're going to see the commission that has been earned. So it means that these are your recent dropship orders and the commission that they generated. But this means that it has not been approved yet. So it's going to take 2 to 3 weeks, sometimes less, to be transferred to the approved section that you can see in the middle in blue. And then after, when it goes from that section, very quickly, it will go in paid. Your paid, what you will see here in green, number 3, is going to be actually all the commission that you ever earned there. So don't think that this is only the commission that is the commission that you have that is available. This is everything you've ever earned. And you'll be able to see there's also in the payment section, you'll see you can see your history of commission and what you redeemed and so on. So you'll be able to track all of that. You have full visibility over everything. So then after, you're going to go in number 4, use your credits. And on that, you're going to see a page. It's very easy. It's going to ask you to convert your dropship commission that is available into a coupon. And that coupon, you're going to copy and paste it, and in your checkout on the wholesale section. So you're going to take that coupon, go and shop, order what you need, and then you're going to put that in the promo code section of the checkout page, and that is going to deduct that amount from your order. We have some people, they generate so much commission that they barely pay anything when they order their Mr. Lulu products, whether it's backed by our retail. And we love to hear those stories again, just to see how easy it is and how it makes a huge positive impact to the profitability of their businesses. Now, a little tip here that I absolutely love is to generate product links that you can send to your clients. So let's say you had 5 clients today, and it's the end of the day. You jump on your computer and you go on your dropship dashboard, and you're going to send your product recommendations to your clients. So let's say those 5 clients, 3 out of 5 did not purchase retail with you because they didn't have the money, they didn't have the time, or something else. So you're going to you're going to go here, you're going to select the products and create like a basket. And you're going to generate a link that you're going to copy and paste, and you can email it or send it via text message, so the client can have these when they're at home, and then they can make that purchase when time is right. And your code will automatically be applied to that basket, which is amazing. Sometimes some clients that don't have the money to spend after a facial because their payday maybe is in a week or 2. But once you send that to them, it means that You don't need to wait until next time you see them for them to capture that retail purchase. And believe me, you prefer, it's way better for them to purchase this than to, wait. And sometimes they'll go to Sephora, to Target, or to shop whatever product on Amazon. No, you want that. You want to give yourself all the chances of them buying from you their Mr. Lulu products. And of course, sorry, I want that to be clear. Mr. Lulu is only available through Skin Professional and our website, nothing else. So we are a real professional line. Nowhere else you can find Mr. Lulu products. We are exclusive to the professionals. So why is a Skin Pro says it's a game changer? I mean, everybody loves our dropship program because the profit level is so high, and it really helps you to maximize the profitability of your overall business. Then you can sell to more people beyond your clients. We have some skin professionals that will sell to their followers on social media. That they promote that as much as their services on social media, and they'll have people who follow them who will buy the products this way. Also, sometimes your clients are traveling, and therefore you can generate some income while they're traveling, especially for those areas of the US where you have snowbirds or some people that will live 6 months somewhere and 6 months somewhere else. You can generate passive income so easily with this, and this is why we love. You have fast access to your commission, and then we have those seasonal promos, and I'll cover that in a second. So our promos, and this is something that is very important, are exclusive to your clients and followers. We don't do promos for the public. Only clients, your clients or your followers can unlock those promos with your dropship codes. So all the promos we do in the year to the public, they get nothing. But if they have a dropship code from a skin professional like you, then they're going to be able to get those promotions. And that gives your clients that feeling of exclusivity, that they have made the right choice to work with you and to trust you for their skin. We have 3 seasonal promos that we sometimes do a little bit more, but these are the big ones. In spring and April, we have one that is 20% off. So your dropship code is not going to do 10% off. It's going to be 20% off. And this is automatic. So we'll tell you in advance, oh, be careful. In 1 week, your dropship code will do this. Make sure to promote it because you're going to be able to get extra revenue. And then boom, automatically. You don't have to do anything. We take care of everything. Your code will automatically, for the 5 or 6 days of the promotion, will transition from 10% to 20% automatically, and then we'll go back to 10%. We take care of everything. Labor Day weekend is another one. The big one, of course, is Black Friday, where we do 10 times what we normally do in a given week. So this is a very important time as well, and we'll let you know when that comes, to make sure that you're fully prepared and you can fully enjoy all those amazing benefits. We have a lot of marketing assets as well. So go on our marketing library. The QR code is here, and you can explore, all the posts that we have to promote products and others. And you can just really use this as an inspiration as well, so you can build your own content. Something that is very important is consistency. All the skin professionals that are the top drop shippers, it's because it's part of what they do every day and every week. They promote their dropship code and their dropship link with every client in their treatment room, with a lot of their posts on social media, with a lot of the email communication they have with their clients and beyond. And this is how we see, skin pros being the most successful. So start to do it as a habit, and you will see how much your business is going to grow without you having to do very much at all. Now, a few secret tips. So promote your dropship code consistently. As I mentioned, use the prescription card and put your dropship code on it. So when you do a recommendation for product, just make sure that you have your dropship code, send your client home with your prescription, and then they'll buy as well. Also, something that we really encourage is for your clients to be signed up to our email database, because once they're attached to your profile, then they stay there and they shop with you anyway. But then they get all of our email communications that is going to make them want to purchase more retail products. And you're going to make that passive income this way, because we're going to do all the heavy lifting in terms of communication. So you can really lean on Mr. Lulu to grow your business. And again, I just want to say that the website is not going to compete with you. It's actually going to help you get way more business than you might have right now. So really use the Mr. Lulu platform as your best ally to grow your business beyond the appointments that you have with each client. So then after, something that we also recommend is to make sure that you promote Mr. Lulu products once a week. Again, this is best practice that we see. If you have posts about your favorite Mr. Lulu products to Reels or anything else, and you talk about your dropship code and link, this is going to drive definitely more. If you lose that consistency, you'll see that you'll prevent the business from building. Use Reels, of course, because there's more virality when it comes to Reels. Post more often in November. This is for Black Friday. It's a very busy time. But you can post more when we have our dropship promos, just to get more cut through. Schedule content ahead of time, and don't forget about email marketing. As skin professionals, this is something that we see all the time. Not using enough email marketing database or building that up. This is very easy and actually converts better than anything that we do on social media. Email marketing is always a strongest converter. So I hope that in the last 15 minutes, you've been able to learn a few tips and how to use the dropship program. I can't wait for you to use it. If you ever have any question, you can always email customer service at mrlulu.store, and you will have a lot of support and information. Dropshipping is available in the US, Canada, UK, Australia, and Europe. We ship everything from beautiful California to the world. And we hope that you enjoy all the benefits from this program to grow your business and to take it to the very next level. Thank you for listening.